3 tips to run further without getting tired and without risking injuries, because getting hurt hurts. And we all want to run longer. Salut, c'est Stéphane from Safe Motions, and I have to admit, I have a personal beef against running injuries. I think I've had them all, and that's one of the reasons I became a therapist. So let's get right into it. There's actually a 4th tip, but I think you're not gonna like it, so don't watch the last one. Number 1, focus on overall weekly mileage instead of focusing just on the distance on your long run. Your body's almost always better off with small bits of running spread out throughout the week rather than a whole weekend of binge running. You should increase your running volume by no more than 10% per week, but that doesn't necessarily mean adding 10% distance on each of your runs. It could simply mean adding an extra day of a short run. This is of course valid so long as you have 1 rest day per week. While talking about recovery, this is super important. Include in your program a low volume week every 4 to 6 weeks. Those recovery weeks are essential. It's not only an opportunity for you to rest your running muscles, but it's also an opportunity for you to use the extra time to do some non-running activities, so you can train those non-running muscles as well. Number 2, run at a comfortable speed. Running faster will not take you to your ideal distance quicker. There's no shortcuts, and increasing the running distance takes time. So train your aerobic system at conversational speed. You can also practice nasal breathing. You can check out my video about how to warm up your breathing system up there, and use the impact of your feet on the floor to rhythmically breathe. This is more energy efficient. Having said that, speed training is great and it can be entirely part of a running program, but not until you've built your overall strength and fitness. Number 3, when your legs get heavy, focus on your form and technique. That'll really help you get your mind off your legs. For me personally, when I get really tired and smashed during a long run, my form just deteriorates. So that's the best time to focus on it. You can focus on your cadence, making sure you're running nice and tall, leaning forward from your ankles, making sure your feet are neither scraping the floor nor heel striking. You can also focus on your arms and making sure that you're pulling your elbows back at your ideal cadence. If your arms are moving, your legs will move with them naturally for balance. Also, plan some snacks and make sure you stay well hydrated if you're going for a really long run. And number 4, the one that I think you're gonna hate to hear, warm up. If you think about it, in what other sports are athletes not warming up? If you've played basketball or you watch basketball on TV, they're always throwing a few hoops before they play. Or tennis, you'll always see the players just hitting a few balls before they get into the game. So why would running be any different? It doesn't mean that you have to do some running drills, some complicated and weird movements like the ones on your channel. Where'd you come from? A warm-up could simply be starting with a slow walk jog for 10 to 15 minutes. And then you go at your target speed. Take it easy on your long runs, and at the end you can reward yourself with a nice, gentle stretching routine like the one on this video. À bientôt!